Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the new Samsung Galaxy A5, the 2017 variant. So this phone also comes with the new TouchWiz UI, which is completely revamped and comes with new features, tools and options. So we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on this UI. You can see this is the new TouchWiz UI. The new notification center is again completely customized. The new notification center, the quick toggles are again completely revamped. If you go to the settings panel, again you could see some changes here. So these are the new settings panel, and this is the TouchWiz UI on the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant. So in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on this device. So let's get started. So first step, let's go to the settings panel, and here we have the display settings. So in the display settings, one of the new features is a blue light filter. So once the blue light filter is turned on, you can reduce the eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. So when you turn this on, you can see the display becomes less straining to the eyes, and if you're a person reading a lot of content in the night, this blue light filter is particularly useful to reduce the eye strain. So that's a useful feature. And then below you can see the screen mode. So there is a Super AMOLED display on this device, and you can set the display mode. Here we have 4 modes: adaptive display, AMOLED cinema, AMOLED photo, and the basic mode. And also you can change the color modes, color balance as well. So these are really useful options if you're looking to make the display a bit more vibrant and colorful. Then we have the EC mode. So EC mode, again we have seen this on a lot of Samsung devices. So standard and EC mode. EC mode makes the screen icons a bit more larger, and it makes it easy for elderly people to navigate. And you can also select which all apps you want in the EC mode. So you can just turn this on, and EC mode will be selected in this device. Then we also have a useful option called always on display. So we already seen the always on display and a lot of Samsung phones. So this is the always on display. You can see the clock, the notification, and will be shown when the display is also turned off. So what you can do is just turn this on and customize the always on display. So you can select the layouts. You can either show clock or image or the calendar. So these are the options available. So you can just select which you want, and if you want clock, you can have 2 different clocks, and it also shows the notifications, and the always on display configuration is available here. So that's a useful option. Then the next step, let's go to the advanced settings. So you can see advanced features here. So let's just here we have some really useful options in the advanced features. One is a smart stay. So if you're again, as I said before, if you're reading a lot of if you're reading an ebook on the device, if you keep on reading, at one point of time the device screen turns off, and this is an annoying feature. So what it does is, if you're looking at the screen, it will keep on the screen won't turn off, and it will keep on. That is smart stay option. So if you just turn it on, the screen won't go out even if you don't use the screen. So that's another useful option. Then lock and hide apps, that feature will come back, and there is also one-handed operation. So one-handed operation reduces the screen size, and you can also have one-handed input, that is the dialing, keypad, and all those stuffs will be turned on to the smaller mode, so that thereby you can have much better control over the device instead of the bigger screen. Then you have the smart capture option. So what the smart capture does is, it shows additional options after capturing a screenshot. With smart capture, you can capture hidden areas of the screen, draw a screenshot, crop the screenshot, and also share the screenshot. So these are the options with the smart capture. So if you want to edit the screenshot and do a bit of customization, you can do that with the smart capture. Then a palm swipe to capture, that is, you can capture the screen by swiping the edge of the hand across more than half of the screen while keeping in contact with this. So that's the useful feature to capture the screen. Then we have additional options like smart alert and EC mode. Then we have one of the useful options, that's the panic mode. So this is one important aspect which the government of India has made it mandatory for all the devices to have this panic button. So press the power key 3 times to call the emergency number 112, and when you are in an emergency situation, you can also send SOS messages and attach picture to them. So send SOS messages, you can just turn it on. So what it does is you can press the power key quickly 3 times to enable you can see the emergency contact call as being activated. So that's how it works. That is a panic mode. And now let's come back and see other options. So we can see there is one device management option. So this is a really useful option. You can see device management includes battery, storage, RAM, device security, ultra data saving mode. So you can just optimize the device for better performance. You can see the battery performance, the storage, you can release the RAM, you can have much better security options. So you can also optimize the device with one-click optimization options. So that's another useful option under the device management. Now coming back to the applications on this device, one of the useful feature is the secure folder. So you can see secure folder is installed on this device. So what happens is secure folder creates a secure environment for your apps, your personal files like images. Say some personal images are included and you don't want your friends or other people to access them. So you can always create a secure folder and make all those images and apps in the secure environment. So what you can do is you can just create a secure folder. So we have just created a secure folder, and you can see gallery, camera, contacts, email, internet, my files, and you can also add other apps onto the secure folder. So you can see the complete list of apps which are available, and you can add those apps to the secure folder. And what it does, it creates a different instance of that app in the secure folder. So this is again kind of a dual apps feature where you have different say for example, if you want 2 WhatsApp account, you can create one in the main folder and one in the secure folder, and thereby the secure folder access is limited only to people who have this access to the secure folder. That means you can set a PIN, password or fingerprint and then access the secure folder. And if you want to add some files to the secure folder, say for example, if I go to the gallery and if I want to add a particular image to the secure folder, select the image and go here, and you can see move to secure folder option, and thereby these 2 images will be moved to the secure folder, and you can just enter the password to share these to secure folder, and now you can see the images will be removed from here, and those images will be available only in the secure folder. So that's a really useful feature to protect your files. If you just go here, you can see those 2 images have come here in the secure folder. Now another useful app on the Samsung Galaxy A5 is S-Secure. So S-Secure, we already talked about this when we reviewed the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. So S-Secure has 2 options, lock and hide apps, and there is also secure Wi-Fi. So we'll just talk about this lock and hide apps. So now we have enabled it. What it does is you can just go here, and it is again a password protected area where only you will have access, and you can select the verification method as either PIN, password or the fingerprint. And once you are done that, you can see you can lock apps or hide apps. So those 2 options are there. So if you're locking apps, you can just go here, add your favorite app to be locked. Say for example, if we are just unlocking the Antutu benchmarking app, then we have just logged it. Now let's go back and let's try opening the Antutu benchmarking app. So we'll just show you that how this works. So we're just opening the Antutu benchmarking app, and you can see the password. It is asking for the password. You can either lock it using the password or the PIN, or even fingerprint is accepted. So you can also see a lock icon alongside the Antutu benchmarking app. So that means the app is secured. And similarly, you can also hide apps. So that's a S-Secure folder. Both hidden and locking apps are supported on the S-Secure folder. So you can always see which all which all apps are protected and which all apps are hidden using this option. So if we just press and hold the multitasking options, you can see the split screen view. So we can run 2 apps simultaneously. So if, for example, if I just want to run maps, and I can run another app. Say for example, if I want to run Chrome, so I just open Chrome, and you can see I can run 2 apps at the same time, and I can just drag and rearrange the size of the split screen view. So this is again a useful feature in the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant. So these are some of the really useful options in the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant with the new the TouchWiz UI, and also you can do a bit of customization here. You can see there are lots of additional options available, like the ultra data saving mode, S bike mode, S power planning mode. So these modes we already talked about on various other Samsung phones. So what you can do is you can just drag and hold this icon to customize the layout. You can see some additional options are also included. So if you want to rearrange or change some of the icons, you can just drag and you can just change it. So that's a useful feature. So that's again supported on this new TouchWiz UI. So basic customizations are also included, and there's also the theme store included on this device. So Samsung theme store can be accessed from the settings panel. You can see wallpapers and theme store. So here we can create your account and download additional themes and wallpapers and do a lot of customization on this device. So these are some of the really useful options in the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 variant with the new TouchWiz UI. Hope this video was useful, and if you have the Samsung Galaxy A5 or the A7 2017, you can try out these features. So that's all guys, with the tips and tricks on the new TouchWiz UI. Hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, do hit the like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.